Because we're doing this online right now and not in school, we are going to have you use a different method for running your Java programs. We are going to be using an online compiler called browseyxy.com. So at this point, I need you to log in to browxy.com. I'll give you a couple minutes to do that. Once you've logged in, you're going to see some instructions over here. We are going to be using the Java language. So when you come over here, you're going to click down and you're going to find Java Hello World. You're going to click on that and you're going to say open the example. There you're going to see your code. When you click start, it's going to run and it's going to show you what will print out. So I need you to go to browseyxy.com, click on Java Hello World. Hi, we're going to be using a different compiler than we normally do because you're doing this online. So we're going to use browxy.com, and it will allow you to run Java files on a Chromebook or a laptop computer. So if you would right now, please go to browxy.com. Once you get there, you're going to see a little message over here. It tells you kind of what it's about, how it's going to work. We need to find the Java files over here. So just to give you an example to see what Javas are going to look like, you're going to click down on here and you're going to go to Java Hello World. When I do that, and I click on Open Example, it's going to show me Java code. If I hit start, it's going to run my code and it'll print out down here what my code would look like. So I need you to go to browxy.com, find Java Hello World, start it, and just look at the code. We'll talk about what the code means later. Thank you.